Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Rachel Lindbaum. I'll be your professor for Project Management, Management 4200 this semester. I wanted to give you a brief overview on how to navigate through the course. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is read the homepage. There's information about getting started, the textbook, etc. Then go to the Start Here tab. This has all the information on how to get started in the course. It has a syllabus you can download, textbook information, how to communicate with me, forum discussion, expectations, how to access the library, accessing disability accommodations, technology support, student success center, etc. So that is this is super important information. I'll make sure you read it. Then once you've read all this, you can go back to the homepage and access the modules. So you can, that's all the different units in the course. So the modules can be here or here, whatever you prefer, takes you to the same place. So in the modules, you'll see that it's set up by chapters, and each chapter identifies the due date. Usually there are about 2 to 3 chapters due at a time, so you can kind of see, um, or you know, chapter 2 and 3 are due the 6th, and then it's about every week there's a chapter, sometimes 2 chapters due. In the middle, I've given you a couple weeks here in between a couple of these because it is a bit more content. So make sure you plan your time accordingly. If you know you're going to be gone for work or travel or personal or family, just try to work ahead so you don't get behind in the course. So to get started, after you've read the Start Here page and the syllabus, make sure that you take the syllabus quiz. Let's just make sure you understand the important things in the syllabus, important policies I want you to know, and then make sure you introduce yourself to your classmates. This is really important for getting to know each other. I encourage you to post a picture of yourself within the module. I also encourage you to go to your account over here and upload a picture of yourself. That just really helps me to put a face with a name as we're going through the course and everybody else. So you can click back to modules. The textbook in this class is called Inclusive Access, meaning that you have access to it on the first day of class. So literally to get started, you can just click when it has a link like this, it says chapter 1, you can literally click on that link and it will load the book into a new tab. So it's all integrated. There are some assignments through MindTap that you're going to need to be able to do as well. It will load. I'm just not going to take the time to watch it. Again, as you navigate, you can always click the next button as well. So here's the PowerPoint. And then this is a video you can watch. So when you get to these, you just click on that and the content will load. So again, so the items that are in MindTap, you just have to click that gray box and they'll load for you. So there are 13 chapters in the book, but I'm only having you do 12. All right. The other thing that I want you to notice is that you do have to do an interview with a project management, so start thinking about that ahead of time. That we're not saying it has to be like a certified project manager. I'm just saying find somebody who works in project management. It could be somebody you work with. It could be a parent. It could be a family member. It could be a friend. And conduct an interview with them. The requirements are here. So again, if we go back to modules, all the info to get started for the first week is here due on August 30th. To access the inclusive content, including the book and the MindTap assignments, you just have to click on the links and they are embedded. There will be videos. Some of these will be in Canvas, like the quizzes and the discussions. But then other items like these case scenarios and these case scenario quizzes, or there's some called there's Microsoft project tutorials and quizzes, so you don't actually have to do it, you just have to watch it, kind of give you an idea of what project management software looks like. And then some of these decision times are also in MindTap. So that's kind of how to navigate the course. Again, you can always click on a link and just click next, and it'll just walk you right through the course. So if you have any questions at any time throughout the semester, call me, email me. I'm happy to assist. I'm happy to set up Zoom meetings if anybody ever has questions or needs help with anything. There are a few concepts in here that are a little bit more difficult. I'll do my best to make videos to help walk you through some of these items, especially when we get into the pieces where you're actually mapping out a project. But that's all I have for right now. I look forward to getting to know you all throughout the semester, and I look forward to a great class. Have a good one.